All right, welcome back, generals, to another. Let's mod the generals at 0 hour to make the best game ever. Yeah. Okay, so of course we are still fixing, polishing textures. Last video we dropped off with this night texture for the CBN apartment complex. You may remember. It looks like this so far. Good. So I think, yeah, we got the textures for the summer model done. So now we just need the winter model with the snow. Though there is a question, do we want to keep this blue light here or not? I mean, it looks a bit strange. But on the other hand, yeah, why not? There's blue light, why not? Good. So snow. Yeah. Okay. Let's close all this. Oh, something was not saved. Why not? Why not? There we go. Good. cbnaptcom. Good. Com. SN, SNG, DSN, DSNG. Yeah, let's do wall 1 first. Yeah. Good. We need reference this. And we probably also need this and snow, right? Yeah. This and that. Did we not touch us? No, we did not. Okay. Okay. Yeah. That looks trash. It all looks trash. Okay, so we use this as a base. Copy. cbnaptcom wall n merged. Yeah. Then we create a new group, call that snow SN. Yeah. And then we take the snow and we take not snow. Good. This one is s.dds and this is just dds. Good. Then we put here difference. Yeah. We make a container. Now we make this and this difference. Yeah. Good. This is set to difference. Then we do that. Put that there. Desaturate. Then we need to invert. And then the levels. Yeah, okay, that looks like we have some nice snow. So we put that on multiply. No, normal. This on multiply. Okay. Okay. Okay, it looks like a snow does not draw much over the windows. So a snow version is not strictly necessary, I would say. Not really. But also it won't hurt. Let's see, how much is it? It's really little. At least for this one. Maybe for the other one it will be more. Let's see. Wall 2S. Oh, this one has more reaching in there. Maybe. Yeah. This is more low-key. This one has... Oh, look at that. The snow is the exact same. Okay, that's wild. That is... That is funny. I think what this means is we can probably use the same snow layer for both walls. Yeah, without any changes. Okay, let's continue with this effort here. Actually, yeah, actually, let's how about I mean, this looks good to me in principle, but how about we do this on N, on the second wall, and to see it there, because there the snow will cover more lights. Yeah. So let's look there. So we take, we open SN, yeah, and here we need N. Yeah. Copy merge. Good. And then take this. No. 2. Okay, and then we simply copy over this SN. Let's see what happens. Yeah. And then we also take this as reference. Yeah. Ref. Yeah, this one has more drawing. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, but what this means now is that we can fix the artifacts here with this one. Yeah? And we copy it back over to the first one. Okay, so we do add the little curves here. And then we add a new layer. Artifacts. Fix artifacts. And in there we take a white brush, a pencil, and then we paint. There we go. We get really good at this, I have a feeling. We get good. We get better and better. We know the tools. Mm-hmm. Maybe we should also ah. Mm. How about where's N here? How about we test it against this without any blackouts? Yeah. Test. Good. And then we check it here. Good. I think it's almost done. Good. I have nothing left to complain here. Looks polished. So we can remove this again. Okay. Let's compare it with ref. Okay, this looks good to me. So let's delete all this garbage. Here we can probably again save a little bit of space. SN. Right. Okay, this is actually right. We need to actually we can do this differently. We just need to no, I think it's fine. Yeah. Okay. Okay, and then we copy this back to wall 1. Yeah, okay, so this is the before and this is the after. Delete that. And save it. Good. And let's go to SN and delete this. Good. And that. Good. Save. Then the next step we can what can we do? I would say the simplest would be to simply draw the snow over every texture. That would be simplest. Let's open SNG, DSN, DSNG. Okay. Okay. SN. Let's do G first. SNG. For this, we simply use this. And drop it there. cbnaptcom wall to SN merged, right? And then we simply add the G on top. This. No, not this. This one. There we go. Okay, and for DSN, we can DSNG. I would say we simply take DN. Wait. No. It's too much stuff open here. It's too much stuff open. Let's make clean. Okay, we have SN and SNG. These are done. Good. Then next we need DN, DSG and DSNG. Good. No. Huh? SNG. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. DSN. This one. This. Good. Okay. As a base. I would say we use DN. Right. DN. But we should first check DS and S. the transition. Good. Yeah, it looks like most of the snow is still there. So I think we get away with simply copying the snow over that. No? So we take this, copy merge, DSN, we drop that here, and then we take this SN and put it here. Yeah. And we also want to copy the name here. And this is DN merged. Yeah. Yeah. Looks good to me. Good, then DSNG. For this we simply take I would say we just take these two and put them in there. And the G. But now the question is, let's do that. The question is there actually snow on the barricades? I hope not. Let's see. DSG and SG. Yeah. There is snow on the barricades. Not little. It's quite a bit. Yeah. Okay. I also see that the snow looks actually a bit different here. Yeah, but it's okay. Okay. Now I close this. Okay. Okay, what we can do is, yeah, it's a good idea. Yeah. What we do is we take this, to SNG, SN merged. Yeah. So we take this and we take SG. No. Actually, now we take G and SG. Yeah. We call this G.dds and SG.dds. Okay. And then we take this one, duplicate to SNG. And here this we call SNG. And we put it here. And then in here we put these two. Then we put this on difference. Yeah. We hide these. And then what is this? Oh, these are. Hold on. Oh, wow, okay. There's a different barricade here. That is unexpected. Oh. I haven't seen that the first time. Is it at least consistent? Yeah. Okay, interesting. Then we need a different shape there. Okay, let's fix that then. Interesting. Interesting. Good. So the first thing we fix then is we need here barricades SNG, and we basically change the shapes a bit. Yeah. Okay, interesting. Always tricksing. Oops. Always tricks up the sleeves. Okay, I hope that covers it somewhat. Okay, so this means this means a diff between G and SG won't work for this one, right? Because the barricades are different. But here looks like there's no like snow on these, so we can ignore this for the most part. Okay, so what we will do now is we will just take this as a reference, put that here, and basically let's take just a cutout here and here. All right. And yeah, I guess here. And maybe here. Okay. It's not much. Yeah, maybe here as well. Okay. So we take those and we make a mask here. And here. Good. And so this now only accounts for those. Now let me check S to SG once more. Ah yeah, there's definitely more snow here. Much more snow. Alright. Alright. S. Where was it? S. Huh? Here. Okay, so this looks legit. And this one. This is also legit. There's much more snow. Yeah. I don't know why, but that's what it is. Okay, and here's unchanged. Here. Okay, I think we can live with that. Okay, so we apply this and that. And delete this. And we call this cbnaptcom 2 SG 2 G difference. And here I realize maybe the barricades were not drawn long enough. Yeah. Doesn't matter. Okay. I think this looks good. Yeah. I hope so. Yeah. Now the question is from SG to DSG. Some snow is vanishing. Yeah, also we got snow here. Let me see. Yeah. We should probably go here. Why is there fixed artifacts? I think that shouldn't be there. Brushed. So I think what we do here is we don't need much strokes. So I think what we do here is we just brush a bit here. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Maybe brush a bit more. I think that's good enough. Okay, do we need to fix any artifacts? Doesn't look like. Looks okay. Good. Then we simply take this and so in DSG, I mean, there's a little bit of difference now with the snow and everything, but I think we can keep it simple. We keep it simple and just SN DN. Yeah. So this. Yeah, so we delete this one and then we copy those two. Okay. DS and G. There we go. Okay, so it has this. And this. Yeah. Okay. So in principle, this is good. Man, the zoom is out of control here. Can we? Okay. There we go. I wonder if we should make this a bit more noisy. Noise. TSNG. Maybe we just make it 80%. Okay. Okay, so this is DSNG, DSN, yeah, so we got everything here, for Vol 2 at least. All right. I wonder if we should maybe make a copy of this, copy merge, and then put this in here. Call it DSN. Then we can remove this. A few less layers. Okay. Good, so this looks good to me. Let's build it and look at it. And then we need to do the same for wall 1. Yeah. CBN. There we go. Okay. SN. So I think that one of the problems was that it's not using SN of 1, right? It's not using SN of wall 2, but it is of wall 1. Okay, which one is it using? This is SN, but this is not. Okay. Let's document that. SN, yeah. cbnaptcom. cbnaptcom sn is not using sn texture. Okay. Okay, but apart from that, all right. This is weird. Let me open SN. This one. What is this here? This here? Must be this. What's the problem now? Maybe. Maybe it needs a bit more brushing here. Okay, I'm a bit confused. What has happened? Why can I not copy this to SN? Ah. Right. Because it's not really a fix what I just did there. I don't know. Let's leave it. Okay. Good. Then let's close all these here. Don't save. G. Okay. Okay. SN. Okay. All right. Good. So we want to fix wall SNG and DSN this. Okay. Good. Okay, so the first question is G and SG. G, S, G. Yeah. Okay. Then next is what did we do here? SN merged. Okay. Copy merged. SN merged. Okay. And then I guess we simply yeah, okay. Good. I think we do it similar to this one here. Snow this and this. Actually, no. Just this. 2 S and G. And we copy NG. NG. Where's it? So many files. Duplicates. 2 SNG. Good. Why do they have to be so many different files? Okay, snow SNG. And here we do SG difference. We take the brushed away. Now we take this one, copy, paste. And G, this copy, where is it? Here, paste. Good. Then this is wall G, DDS. Do we not have a PSD for this? SG, G, good. And this is SG, good. Then we move this up here, put that on difference, and hide these, good. Okay, so this already gives us the snow effect, yes. But now we only want this for certain areas. So we take this and we do this selection and this selection and this and this, that's good. I was a bit generous here. Good, so we take this mask and mask, apply mask, and now we have that. Okay, that's good. Very nice. Good, we delete all this. Do we need to fix any? What is this here? Why is there so much? because there's a lot of snow. Okay. All right. Multiply, yeah. Okay, I think that looks good. Yeah. Okay. Okay, good. Then this is done. Save. Okay, next DSN. So here we take DN merged. Okay, so we open DN, yeah. Edit, copy, merged, and then we drop it here. All right, then we take this and then we put this here, DN merged, and next we take Snow SN. This one. Duplicate DSN. Right? No, that is not correct. What did we just do there? This one. Duplicate DSN. There we go. Oh, that's not much. It's really not much. Okay, but technically correct. All right, then we save that. And then we take this, copy merged, and then we take it here, drop it there, right? And like this. And we name it wall DSN merged, right? No. What am I doing here? It goes in here. DSN merged. Wall DSN merged. Good. And in there we copy this and that, right? DSNG. And we delete this. Okay. And save. Oh my gosh. Okay, so wall 2. This looks good. This looks good. 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 Okay. This. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right. I think this is well done. It was a lot of work though, once again. Okay, let's build it and test it. It was quite a bit of work, but I think it was worth it because the original was jank. That's for sure. Okay, cbnaptcom. And that is N. Kill scene light. Good. Let's look at SN. Yeah. So we know that one of these textures It's not using the snow, this one here. But on SNG maybe? Yeah, on SNG it is here. Yeah. Okay, SNG DSN. DSN. Is that using a snow version or not? Let's see. Wall 2, wall 1 DSN is here. Wall 2 is also here. Okay. All right. Good. And DSNG. Okay. Yeah. I think that's pretty good. Good effort. Yeah. I think at night this object model looks much better than at day. At day it looks... yeah. It looks kind of weird, this house. I mean, it's not wrong, but I don't know. It looks odd. But at night, I think it looks... Oh, we got a crash. Again. Well, we know this already. Yeah, but we don't know why it happens. I don't want to investigate it now. cbnaptcom. cbnaptcom. All right. Yeah, so at day it looks weird. I don't know. It's probably one of the earlier objects that they made for the games. Yeah. Yeah, but at night it looks, I think, quite interesting. Good. DSNG, yeah. Okay. It's a little bit of Z clipping here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So then we need to we need to document what we just did. So we did n dn. By the way, we can also say sandbags on garrisoned models are Z clipping. Right. Okay, so ndn wait, there's more. ndn ng and dng and sn, dsn, sng and dsng. Yeah, that's a mouthful. Recreates house lights, and I think fixes strangely looking, fixes strangely looking lights, fixes strangely looking blue lights, or strange blue lights, fixes strange blue lights. Yeah. Or we just say recreates house lights. I think that's good enough. Don't need to say why, we just say we recreated it. Simple enough. Okay, and the same for wall 1, right? Okay. Good, anything else? Four, that was a lot. cbnaptcom e. Okay, I think we are done with this set. It was a wild ride, a lot of wrong with it, but I think we fixed it all pretty much. Yeah. Oh, they're actually huh? What? What is this? Why is huh? Oh wow. These are just planes. Okay. That's weird. Okay. Can also document that. cbnaptcom e all have strange, has two gray planes. Yeah. Are these just two? Yeah. Okay. I don't quite understand why they had to make two walls for this. I think one wall would have been totally fine for this house. Like, no one would have cared if this wall looked exactly the same as this. But they went through the trouble to make two walls. Why? Why do this? So much extra work. Yeah. Anyway, I think the result is good. And yeah, well, what comes to the model, then this needs to be fixed another time. All right, so is everything saved? No. All right. Okay, I need to go to the bathroom real quick. We'll be back soon. All right, your boy is back. Good. Mm. Then I think the next part is we create a pull request. How about that? So texture cbn. Let's get the name real right here. Aptcom. Yeah. Creates. Okay. And here we have a bunch of things. By the way, let me just double check that there is no yeah, generals alpha. There's no cbn apt, right? No. Okay. Good. Wow, it's actually a lot of textures. My gosh. Okay. Fix cbn apt com ceiling, roof, I think we can keep it short, just that, textures. Okay. And this one, yeah, SN, DSN. Okay, anything else? I think that's it. Now what we can also check is, so we have one txt, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 36 textures. Jesus Christ. Okay, that's 1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 23, 24, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 37. This one does not count. But then this doesn't either. So we have 24. 34. Okay. Okay. Let's take a step back here. Okay, for ceiling, DN and N. Okay. Let's go. Okay, now how about we look here? That's easier. Okay, we delete all these DDS. Good. Just want to make sure that everything is documented properly. There's a wall 2D. Just see that now. Set use. I hope not. It's not. It is. Shit. Oh, it looks different. Oh. Uh-oh. Why? Okay, but is it actually used on the model? The wall 2D. Is there also a DS? No, just D. Why? Wait, does D look the same as DS? Let me see. Yeah, okay. So this is the outlier. D, please don't be used. It is used. Oh. Oh no. Oh boy. Let me see. How big of a problem is this? Wall 2. Wall 2? D. Yes. Okay, it already has this file here. Where's it? Where's this file? Here. Good. So let's look at this file, and E. Good. White. Unbelievable. So there's two Ds, yeah, two damaged, and the difference is this. But I totally banked on this texture, but this one is used. Okay, but is this a problem? This can transition nicely to this. Okay, so this is good. But here we have... Actually, we have some... Here's more dirt. Here's less dirt. Okay, that looks like the E is not properly fixed. Okay. Good that we check. R. Wall 2R. Oh boy, what happened here? Oh, yeah. Look at that. This is the original R texture. My gosh. That's foobar. Okay. Okay, so what did I do here? On E, I made this darken with that. Yeah. Okay. D. Then the question is, why is it also using the other D? Okay, how about we take this here and we take that. So there's not... Oh, E looked very different. Wow. Okay. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to make a folder, fix damage inconsistencies E. Yeah. And then in here we move these two. And here we need to paint. Yeah. So we make a black. We take a brush, 50%, and then we paint. Let's go. Here, nice and beautiful paints. All right. More paints. All right. Okay. Then we also paint here, the bullet hole. Also paint here. And here. And here. And maybe here. Okay. And here. Okay. And there. Anything else? Here. Okay, I think that's okay. All right. Oops. Okay. So now this should transition nicely here and here. Okay. Then we take this, copy merged, and we move this also here. Why is there a layer mask? Probably has a reason. Okay. Okay, now the question is, do we need to update anything in regards to the snow? Let's see. ES RS is that it? Okay. Yeah, don't ask me what's going on here with the art texture. This is the original, yeah? This is the original art texture. of the building. And that's a fix. I thought it still looks wild, but it doesn't look as wild as this one. Yeah. I mean, it's a piece of art. Yeah. I don't know how this came to be. I would really like to know the backstory. Like the developer is sitting there in front of his computer and making nice textures for this building, and coming up with it. This must be a troll. This must be a troll attempt by the developer. It's just like 1st of April. Let's check in this garbage. Nothing wrong with this, right? Yeah, yeah. It's wild. It really is. Okay. Okay, so we do need to update something here, I think. Also, we did touch this one, right? So maybe we update this one here again. So DS merged. Yeah. And then we also update copy merged here. Copy this in here. And then R. Okay, we just touched this, right? Maybe. So we copy this also here. Okay. Okay. And then now we need to check if we need to update anything in those night textures. And DN. Oh boy. Okay, let's go DN, DNG. Before we do that, let's clean up some more DDS files here. This one, that. Okay. And so DN, DSN, this, and this. Yeah, good. So we open these. So because here we have used a D and not space D. Yeah. So the question is, what consequence does this have? Yeah. Let me see. D. Yeah, let's put these together. Okay, so the damage discrepancy is here and here and here, all right? So let's take this and yeah. So here this one is blacked out, but it would affect this one here. So what if we put this one here? Yeah. Call this D, like that. Then we hide this one. By the way, we didn't touch D, right? No, we did not. Let's put here with a space. Yeah, just to clarify that this is different, because it's not very obvious. Okay, and then we make a copy here of this, put a layer mask, apply that. Yeah, and then we put that also to difference, like that. Okay, and as we can see, it is a bit different, right? So this one has here some damage, And this one does not. Now the question is, with which one do we want to go? With this or with the other? Probably with the one that it's currently using. So this one. It's not much damage then. Okay. Okay, but then we need to copy this to this. So a lot less damage. Okay. By the way, what about, does it fix any artifacts? Let's double check. No. Okay, that's good. Okay, that was simple enough to tweak. Yeah. Yeah, that was simple enough. But then I would take a note here. cbnaptcom D is using D and D with a space. It probably should just use D, this one, and not this one, right? It should just use D. Let's make another note, because this needs to be documented, this bullshit. Yeah, we make this and D, txt, and then we say model is predominantly, I hope I write this correctly, using with a space. Predominantly. Did I type this correctly? Who knows? Let's copy paste it. Yeah. Model is predominantly using this texture with space instead of D without a space. Yeah. Good. So we have that documented. Oh boy. Why does all this has to be so complicated? But to be fair, like, I can totally understand that there's so many errors between textures and models, because there's just so much complexity. Like, it's hard to not make mistakes with this amount of texture variation and model variations. It's easy to make mistakes, really easy. So I can't blame EA for screwing this up as big as they did, because when you don't pay attention and you don't have enough time to polish, there's just so much things that fall through the cracks, right? It is remarkable, if you want to look at it this way. Okay, so I hope I hope we saved it all. No, we did not. No, I did. Okay, DS merged, RS. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so now the question is, did we do everything correct or not? Let's see. Let's look at the damaged wall 2 again. cbnaptcom. Oh, this really has killed a bunch of brain cells, the thing. By the way, I think a video upload has finished. I can do this off camera. Post it. Yeah, so this is DN. I suspect that they did it this way because the damages on wall 1 are similar to the ones on wall 2. Right, with this one here on the side. So maybe they didn't want to have this explosion and this the same way on this one, and that's why they removed it. I think that's the rationale here. Yeah. It's kind of interesting that this damage here goes seamless over the edge. How? Oh, because it's this edge. All right. I thought it would be like from here to here. That would have been quite impressive, but okay, this makes sense. Good. Yeah, but here they did not, right? Here I have this hard cut. Yeah, but that's fine. Good. So we want to check DN, right? So we took away damage. Huh? Oh, hell no. Are you kidding me? Okay, so the daylight is using the underscore D, but the night texture is using the other D. Oh boy, I want to flip tables. Really? Flip tables. Oh boy. Okay. Then we need to update documentation. Summer day models are using this. Summer night models are using summer night models are using summer day models are using instead of okay. All right. This means we can actually go back. We can go back to dn and reinstate the other one, this one, because that's the one that the night models actually use. Okay, good. Then back to what it was before. Put this here and here and copy this and drop it here. Okay, good. Then we build it again and we check again, and eventually we get this done. Who knows? My gosh. Okay. So yeah, so now we got the damages back here. Yeah. All right. DNG, it's back. Okay. And night DSN also looks good. All right. What is this here? So here they have antennas and here not. So they were experimenting with antennas. Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay, what's next? Okay, we want to count once more. I think it was 36, right? How about we count per this? Okay, so we have two ceiling edits, right? We have more. Ah, because it generates these two. Aha. Okay, yeah. Okay. CBN up. Okay, roof. We have E. Okay, looks like there's documentation missing for roof. Okay. So what did we do? Okay. Aha. So D, we fixed wrong texture. Okay. DN. E, we is new. Okay. So yesterday we did N. Okay. Yeah. So we have not documented this yet. DN and what was DSN? What about SN then? Huh? Ah, that's here. Yeah. Okay. Okay, DN, SN, and DSN. Right. Recreates house lights. Good. Okay. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that correct? By the way, we made a bunch of updates here, so we probably need to update that. Okay, so 6 roof textures, right? 1, 2, 3, yeah, 6. Good. Okay, then wall 1. Wall 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 15. Good. That is correct. And the other one, we have 13. 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 8, 13. Yeah. Okay, that's also correct. So we say here it's using both. Yeah. Okay, then we adjust the formatting. Formatting here, there. All right. We are making progress, guys. That's all that matters. We have the mountain to climb, but we will get there. Everest, here we go. One texture at a time. Trying to motivate myself right now. To not break out in tears, as I have to fix every single texture in this game. Every single, it's unbelievable. Why does it have to be so much broken? I don't understand. I think the game designers, game developers, they did it on purpose. Just so that I, one day, have to sit here and fix all their crap. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I actually wonder if any of the original developers is has ever noticed the struggle of the current player base with the game, as in crashes, mismatches, bugs, whatever, anything that is shitty. if they see the level of struggle. I wonder. Okay, but now we have this one. This one is beautiful now. This set, yeah, most beautiful house. Well, not really. It still looks odd, but I think it's presentable now. Like you can actually put this in a map and look at it. Yeah, it looks fairly usable now. Well, if we ignore all the other bugs, yeah. These apartment complex, they are not even placed symmetrically. Look at that. So lazy. Unbelievable. Oh, hell no. Good. cbnaptcom. Do we have anything else here? And there's more. There is apt unit coming. Oh my gosh. Rip. Rip, rip, rip. Good. I think we have everything though. So I think we can click on submit. That was fast. And see the counter goes down here, the commit, the pending, just 760 files left to commit here. Yeah. Making progress. Yeah. Unbelievable. By the way, let me get some new water first. Okay, bro is back. By the way, the texture fixes are not the only files that are fixed en masse. I expect that in the future the models probably will be the same story. Half of the game models will be fixed. And for audio, it's the exact same thing. And that actually has progressed really beautifully in the past. Let me open this for you so you can see it. It's also in the optional bundle pack. Data, audio. So we have fixed 1,700 audio files so far. This is only mostly focused on multiplayer. Single player audio files have not been touched much, but everything multiplayer. So all the voice lines of all the units, all the EVA voice lines, and yeah, that's basically it. So that's 1,700 files, and that was quite some effort, but I think it's really beautiful because the audio files are so pristine now, much better than the original. Now you can't hear it because I have it muted right now here in OBS, but in the future maybe we can listen to that separately, or you can just clone the repository and listen to the audio files yourself. I've spent weeks on this, cleaning them up, listening to each of these several times, maybe 100 times each audio file, yeah, to really catch all the bugs. So originally, let me see, English voice. So it fixes noises, humming, hissing, crackling, clicking, popping, fade in and fade out in all these files. Yeah. So noises means like background noises that don't belong. Humming means like something in the background, like a generator, for example, right? Diesel generator, something like for example, electronic interference can cause humming. Hissing is typically when someone is using and is hissing, so and that creates a really high pitch sound. Crackling is, yeah, something is crackling in the lower frequencies. Clicking is like a small, like really small click, typically coming from like spit in the mouth, like this. And then you say words, and then you have like some clicks between words. And this happens a lot. Popping, that is, I think, like popping in the mic, like this maybe. And fade in, fade out, that's like not nice fade ins, fade outs of the audio. So it just like the audio starts and it immediately is like volume something. Like you hear the recording starts and you hear audibly that something is starting that shouldn't start. So it's no like nice fade in, fade out. So that's also fixed. Yeah, this was tremendous amount of work. I do recall when I started this, people were like, "Why are you fixing this? Why care fixing this?" And I couldn't understand this question, and I still cannot understand this question. Why not? Why not fix audio? And I don't understand. Like, people genuinely ask, why fix something? Is it a problem? Yes, it is a problem. Like, you listen at the audio and the audio is not clean. So you fix it, right? If the audio is clean, for example, the French audio, that is recorded quite cleanly in a much better studio than the English audio was recorded in. That is very clean. No need to go through and make major polishing. But the English recordings were horrendous. Absolutely horrendous. I think I can dedicate a future video and just looking through the audio if you like. Yeah, but that's a separate topic. No. Good. So let's create a pull request for the textures. Yeah. We want, so we counted, yeah, it looks good. We actually already submitted, right? Yeah, we submitted. Good, so we can push. Push. Okay. I think then now we can also clean up the DDS files here. Yeah, don't need that anymore. Yeah. This and that and this and more. This one. All right. Let's make sure that we are deleting nothing other than DDS files. But yeah, this looks good. All right. All right. Good. Then we have it pushed. And now we go here to this and open the pull request. This change fixes and improves cbnaptcom textures. Yeah, now we need to copy all this junk here, drop it in here, and we need to copy all these different things here. This. All right. Anything else? Yeah. Okay. My gosh, so many. Okay, so we make a to-do down here. The to-do, as I explained in previous videos, is just for reference. When we touch the models, and we already have a few hints here as to what needs fixing, since I already looked at the models, right? Then I see some errors. So we have a little bit of things to look at. Good, so this is art, minor, optional, civilian. Aptcom, okay. Okay. There's one more thing I can check, and that's if there's any large outlier here. Oh, looks fine. Good. Then we create this as beautiful. And then I do actually wonder. Here we place the separates. Maybe we should say cbnaptcom ceiling, comma, roof, wall, and wall 2. Yeah. All right. Civilian. All right. Good. And then we create a new cbnaptcom textures 97. Good. And then we take all this and add it here. All right. Okay, this one is optimization. Oh. All right. By the way, I hope that we actually documented all the changes correctly. Maybe I missed something. I mean, individually in the files. Possible that I missed some, like, you know, snow drawing over burns, damage inconsistencies, blah blah. Yeah. Okay. Fixes and improves. cbnaptcom textures. I think improves cbnaptcom. Civilian. Yeah. Okay. It's all documented. Ah, wait. Here the date is 0309. Yeah. And here, space. Okay. All right. Good. Then I think we can also add this. Add YAML. Good. Commit. And push. Push, push. Good. Yeah. Now, actually, on second thought, I think this is like too much info in the title. Let's just remove this. It's not easier to read if we add all this different stuff here. Okay. Good. Yeah, this is merged and good. Yeah, then let's get back to this one once more. I want to we probably also want to simplify this here. Recreates house lights. Yeah. Good. Then update YAML. Push that. Yeah, okay. Good. How long have we been editing? 2 hours 20. Yeah, maybe we can cramp in a little bit more. There's one more thing I wanted to do. As I was working on the last night textures, I realized that we can probably also improve the setup of one of these textures in a part 01, I think it was. Let me see. With the snow. This one, I think. Yeah, this one. Ah, maybe not. Maybe we can. Because, yeah. Basically, I don't like this setup. It's really confusing. How about it's this one. By the way, let's first clean up here. No. SN, DSNG. Good. So right. Right. So maybe we should, let's open SN and DS, just DSN as well. Yeah. Ah. Okay. So how about, so basically I just want to simplify the setup. I don't want to like change the look. I just want to simplify, because then it makes it easier to maintain it in the future, right? If someone wants to go, there's something is not quite right, and then make additional tweaks. Like basically the source files should be easily maintainable, right? And I think here I didn't do a good job. So how about, I need to think. SN. Okay, here we did difference. Okay. So we open a part G, this, and SG, this. Yeah. Actually, we already have this here. Here, SGG. Good. Okay. So basically, we can use this edit. Okay, wait. Slow down. Let's put here, this we do an old, yeah? Old. We create a new one, new. Then we take this, copy merged, and drop that in here. Good. This is SN merged. Good. Next, snow barricades. Yes, duplicate this. Perfect. Good. And now we just need the snow. SNG, and for this we take this one. Aha. And we place it here. And then we only, we only, let me see. We take a normal. Yeah. Oof. Okay, hold on. We take SG, make a copy of that, and we drop that in SNG as a reference. Reference here. Good. Now we make selection. It's not as easy as with the other one, because there's more chaos here. It's more chaos. Okay, we make a selection here. And here. And here. And there. And here. And everywhere. Okay. I think, here's something missing. All right. And here. But I think that doesn't matter much. Okay. So we take we put this as a mask here. Okay. And I just realized okay, because there's no lights. It's doors. Yeah. Okay, then we can here we can select, invert, and make this black. Yeah. So we can make this black. Yeah. Good. So let's see how this now looks. Yeah. I think the problem with this approach is though, let's see. So basically now there's more of a difference to the first edit because some of the snow is applied twice, once by SN and then by this SNG. Right? So it's not here because we cut this away, these things here. But the others, there's snow twice now. That is not so good. So actually the old edit, this one is actually better. Yeah, okay, so this approach won't work well. The SNG, what did we do here? SNG. Yes. SNG. Basically, I would like to get rid of this one here. This layer. I don't like the new edit, even though it's logically better, but yeah. Okay. I mean, here's not much difference. But how can we fix it better? Pass through. How about... No, that won't work. Or will it? Let's create another copy here. Duplicate new 2. Yeah. Experiments. So how about we move SN here, and then we do darken. Yeah, but yeah. I mean, this helps, but it's not the right tone. Like with multiply, we get this nice, yeah. Darken. I don't know. There must be a way. There always is a way. We can't use darken. I don't know. We would need to have a difference. Is that possible? What if we is that possible? So we take this, yeah, duplicate layer. We take this snow SN, and we put that into S. Yeah. SNG. Okay, and then so we make this normal. Yeah. And this normal as well. Pass through, I mean. Is that even allowed? For okay, wait. How about that is complicated. So we have this thing. What if we put this here? And then we put this on difference. And this on pass through. Difference. No idea. And then we make a container. Put these inside. Then we do this. Then we do multiply. Then we hide these. No way. No way this works. Oh. Nice. It's correct, right? It looks correct. Yeah. Okay, that is amazing. That is amazing. So basically what I did now, I did not just make the difference between these, but also difference between this and this. The S, the snow, not snow difference, differenced with the garrison snow and not snow garrisoned. Yeah. And then this, use this to, why is this on multiply though? I think this is just pass through. Yeah. And this to create the just snow for the barricades, basically. It excludes the other snow. That's amazing. That's amazing. Reason to celebrate. Wow. So much science. So much science. And my explanation was probably totally shit, but I don't care. I don't care. Oh, what is this though? Yeah, okay. Okay, then let's, so SN, this is our reference, right? Or is it not? Yeah, it is. Yeah, so that's amazing. This is amazing. Okay. I know maybe my excitement is too overexcited, but this is amazing. It's so much simpler now. Look at that. So this was the old, this, and this is the new. Beautiful. Piece of art. Okay, so we got this is step one. We still need to figure out DSNG, right? Great. Fantastico. Good. So DSNG, I think as a base we use I'm not sure. How do we go to this now? Okay, before we delete the old layers, let's keep that for reference sake. Keep the old for now. Let's mark it. There's a way to set colors, no? Reds, right. Okay, now the question is, how do we get DSNG? That is also troubling. Okay, but we found a solution for this one. Good. Now we need a solution for DSNG. An elegant solution. This is hard. How do we get the damages in between this? This is simple enough, right? Just damage. And then the barricades on top. But DN. It contains the damages on the night textures. We can put the barricades on top, but we cannot put the snow on top of this, because then the snow draws over the broken lights. DNG. But here we do it. We draw the damage over SN. Okay, well, if we take this now, copy merge. Let's make this here old. Yeah. Old. So this is DSN, right? DSN merge. And I don't want it no color, please. Good. And if I now take duplicate DSNG. That's correct, no? Yeah. Let's double check with before I'm going too happy here. DSG. Let's open that. Copy merge. That's our reference. Yeah, it does have the snow on top of the barricades. Yeah. Yeah, of course. Of course. Amazing. Amazing. It's so much simpler and so much better. Fantastic. Fantastic. I love it. I love it. Yeah. This one is a winner. Yeah. Amazing. 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 Good. So this was the old. That's the new. So basically we do have now snow near the barricades. Great. Fantastic. Fantastico. Yeah, great, great, great. Okay, then we can delete the old. And delete the old here. And save, and save. Okay. Okay, this is really great. The setup is, yeah, much easier now, much better. Yeah. Don't think we made changes here, no? No. And also not here, no. Okay, fantastic. Fantastico. Yeah, this is what I wanted to do. Okay, that means we can push it. This one and this one. We call this improves setup texture layer setup for CBN parts. Yeah. All right. Good. Now I push that as well. And then we can close all this. No. No. What is this? Close. Good. Yeah, I don't like that whenever you like toggle layers, it wants to say, well, yeah, kind of makes sense. Yeah. I think, yeah. It would be nice if Photoshop would recognize if the current state of an image, like, let's say I open this image here, right? This, no? And now if I unhide this and hide it back in, then you see the star here, which means this has changed, this file, right? Because we have clicked something here. But now it would be nice if it would recognize that the current state is exactly the same as the saved state. So effectively we have changed nothing, so it should not prompt to save because it's not changed really, right? So this is, I think, a little flaw in the design of save state of files in Photoshop. I would have fixed that long time ago. Because then, like, you just looked at the texture, like to see like what is going on here with the layers, like maybe you open this and then you close it again. And now I expect that there's not a prompt to save it because I didn't change anything. And it can be confusing. Like, let's say I did in fact actually change something, but I thought I did not, and it was just because I looked at things, and then I clicked no, then I would have lost work, right? So that's a little bit bad. It would be better if it would recognize that nothing was changed, then don't give the prompt, right? Anyway, beside the point, we don't care. Good, and this probably also means that the files are a bit smaller now. No, not so much. Okay, good. Then I think this was a very productive session. We finished the lights for one of the apartments, and here fix this again, and beautiful. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Good, then how long are we fixing? 3 hours. Closing in on 3 hours. Okay, then I hope you enjoyed the progress. I certainly learned something new. I hope you did as well. If not, then who cares? But yeah, of course, you have to follow the progress closely, right? You have to watch closely, study everything that is done here, and then you learn. Okay, all right. Then yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I will take a break now, and then Maybe pick up some work later. I don't know. We'll see. All right, then have a great day or night, wherever you are. Until next time.